Ladies and gentlemen, this is King Production. I'm about to cook some food. I got some chicken soaked in vinegar and water, drums chicken stick with some chicken wings. I'm about to cook it, just making it soak in water and vinegar. And we're about to start the cooking. What I'm gonna cook with the chicken, side order of veggies. Some veggies. You gotta have your veggies so you can stay healthy, have your nutrition. I'm gonna cook some veggies, and we're gonna cook some chicken. And also, we're gonna cook mashed potato also. So check it out, y'all. We're gonna do everything step by step. Veggies and some chicken drumstick and chicken wings. All right, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna cook some chicken. You got yourself some chicken drumsticks with some chicken wings. We're gonna season it up, put some season on it, so it could have some taste and some spice. I've got to have some flavor on the chicken. Gonna season it up. Make sure we put everything all on the chicken drumstick. Make sure everything is all seasoned carefully. Same thing for the chicken wings. We're gonna season the chicken wings also. Make sure everything is seasoned up so it could have some flavor and some taste. Rub it down, massage it down with some season on it. It's gonna be tasting good, some good chicken wings with some drumsticks. Yeah. There's nothing like some good old chicken wings and some drumsticks. Yeah. So I took time to do the video just to post it and do a video of me cooking on the kitchen. I like to throw down in the kitchen whenever I have that time. I like to throw down. I like to cook. I'm not the best chef, but I try my best to be the best chef. I try my best to cook, when I have that spare time. Just massage the season. Make sure everything is massaged through, all the season going through the chicken wings, We gotta make it sit. It have some vinegar and water in it. I had to pull some vinegar out of it because we're sitting in vinegar and water for a while. So we have some season on it. So the season gonna bring some flavor to the chicken wings and the chicken drumsticks. Just massage it careful. Make sure all the season is all in place so it can bring some flavor on the chicken. Yeah, some good old chicken. We're gonna cook the chicken with some veggies. You gotta have the veggies. You gotta have your nutrition. And we're gonna cook mashed potato. So that's gonna be a good dish. Everything looks like it's massage. We're gonna put a little season more. We're gonna put some more season on it. You gotta have enough season so it could have some flavor to it. Yeah. So the season gonna bring taste to the flavor. Massage it carefully. Make sure the season marinate through the chicken. So it has that good old flavor on it. Okay, y'all, the kitchen is seasoned properly. Chicken wings, chicken drumstick. We're gonna put the chicken in a pan so we can put it inside the oven. We're gonna get some oil, vegetable oil, and put it in the pan. Yeah, make sure we put it in the pan so the chicken could get cooked. so we could put it inside the oven. So we're going to do everything one by one. Yeah, make sure the oil is dripping inside the pan. Make sure the oil is on the surface of the pan. Then we take our chicken wings. So we can put it in the pan. Make sure we put it inside the pan. Put the drumsticks. So we got some good old chicken drumstick and some chicken wings in the house. My kids love when I cook chicken. Once they have a bite, they always want to eat some more. They just can't get enough of that chicken. I'm trying to put everything all in the pan carefully. See the chicken wings? It's well seasoned. No, Kelly. Make sure you put the chicken wings all together inside a pan. See, there's a lot of chicken. You got your drumsticks, and you got the chicken wings right here. And then we're gonna put the seasoned juice. Still have extra chicken wings, so I'm gonna put the pan in the oven. Set the timer. Let me move this out the way. Set the timer to 350. Okay, y'all. The veggies gonna be the side order. We're gonna eat some chicken with some veggies. You gotta have your veggies. Veggies, nutrition. It's good for your body. We're gonna cook some veggies with the chicken. Now I'm gonna put the chicken inside the oven. It's pretty hot in there. Okay, so we're gonna put the chicken inside the oven. The oven is pretty hot. You see? It's inside the oven. And I got extra chicken wings I'm gonna cook on top of the stove. And we'll have some veggies. This is gonna be the side order of veggies. Now we're gonna put the veggies in a bowl. And we'll put it in the microwave because it's frozen right now, so we're going to defrost it. See? Some good old veggies. We have spares, we have extra veggies. So we're going to place it inside the microwave for 6 minutes. We're going to cook the extra chicken wings on top of the stove. And we have chicken in the oven. About 350 degrees. It's going to be cooked. And I'm going to watch it from time to time. And we got our vegetables in the microwave. We're going to cook some mashed potato, y'all. Check it out. Just the mash. We're going to put in the pan. We'll put some water in the mash. And we're going to stir it with a spoon. Okay, the mashed potato is finished. We got the mash. And we got the vegetables. We got the chicken in the oven. Okay, the food is finished. Chicken. Look at it. Chicken with some veggie, mashed potatoes, and some chicken wings and drumsticks. It's ready to eat. So everything is cooked. You got your veggies, mashed potato, and you got your chicken. Well, it's a complete meal. So I finished cook. I'm ready to chow down. So please like and subscribe to my channel. King Production out. God bless everybody.